What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am here to show you one of the best tools I've ever run into, ever, called Builderall. I've heard about this in the past, but I did not ever look into it until a good friend showed me exactly what's in here. You're seeing the back office. You're seeing the list of products. I have, most of them. There's even more. It's a total of 30 tools, and this thing has changed my marketing as soon as I got it. All right, we're gonna go through the tools a little bit. I'm gonna show you. We have a Cheetah drag and drop website builder. We got email marketing. We got booking. We got app builders. We got a mock-up studio. So that's like a picture and a picture. So I'm gonna show you a lot of different examples. Look at, we got hosting for your videos if you want it, not to have that that bad outline from a YouTube, etc. When you put it on your website. We have 3D editors, pretty much animated videos, and I'll actually show you an animated video I have done with Builderall. Let's go. Here we go. Check this out. And you guys get the point. As you see, I'm in the creator. This is what the actual app looks for the video creator. We have chat bots. We have social proof. When someone joins your business and it pops up. Video wrappers. Where you can put the headlines on your videos. SMS, CRM, DNN. We have everything you need to run a business, but most importantly, we have everything you need to whitelist and sell these individual services, on something like a Fiverr, on something, just on a YouTube, on something, on something to people. This thing is crazy. And we're not even going to get into the affiliate side because that's really not important. I want to show you the actual products. And if I bring it to the channel, it is something crazy. Click maps. This is actually a cool tool I never heard of. This will actually show you where a lot of people are clicking on your website. So look at the website I built with it. Fully integrative. Let me scroll down. Look, see, so I think this was a test. Some of this is from me. But this is where, I was clicking around the website. This will show you where a lot of people that come to your website are trying to click, where they are trying to engage. This is my Newbies on Fire website. You can find this at icreatebosses.com. Look how flowing. Everything's interactive. This is a website I built with the Cheetah Builder within Builderall. Something simple. I did this yesterday. Look at this. This is called a floating video. You can do this in Builderall. Look how clean it looks. Look how professional it looks. And look at the tool. Look at these clicks. Look, this is some stuff I've never seen my over 7 years I've been in marketing. Video tag tool. That's a tool where, throughout the video, you might have something pop up that says click here, and they'll click it and, be able to go. And yes, let's try it. What else can I show you? Here's a SEO on page report app. So pretty much if I type in, Newbies on Fire, and I type in my Cheetah Builders fresh out the press, you'll get analytics on why your website is not ranking for that keyword. Right now I'm at a D. I don't have a meta description. I don't have a H1, H2, H4 headline. My body, I have no body. I have no wording. You see? I do have a title and I do have URLs, and it'll break it down even more. So if you want to know why a certain website is not ranking, this will actually show you why. So yeah, guys, this will show you why you're not ranking. You can do this for multiple keywords, whatever you're trying to rank your website for. Here's the Cheetah Builder. You can add anything. You can add, blogs, super checkout, booking, You can add browser notifications. So when someone comes to your website, you know, you're probably seeing it, especially with the Google Chrome browser. You'll see something that says at the top left, accept notifications. So what happens when people do this, no matter where they are on Google Chrome and searching, if I go and send out a notification of my liking, you know, what I wanted to say, real time, it will pop up wherever they are online. I can say, for example, watch my new video I just dropped. And everyone that clicked, you know, see my notifications, it will go to them real time. So it's like a tracking, you know, a pixel tracking type of thing. So anything I'm doing, I can put it in there and get them to come right back to my website. They have a great get starting guide with all the apps. So you just come in here and they'll show you exactly the basics, specific things to do, how to actually use the app. They have a YouTube that's awesome, you know, for doing the same thing as well. Let's go back to the main page. I'm gonna log in. And if you come to install tools back here, this is how you can, you know, adjust your browser. And most of these I have installed, but there's some more that I don't have installed. Telegram, Funnel Club. You know, you can build funnels, e-commerce, make e-commerce sites, WordPress integration. It's so many tools. I spent the whole day just with a few tools, but they are crucial. They're going to show you how to kill your business, and they're going to show you how to whitelist and offer your now, you know, new skill set after you learn how to use these apps to sell to people that need these skills, you know, graphics, animations, etc., voiceovers, so much stuff you can learn within the platform. You can even create your own course, have an autoresponder, and the list goes on. I'm bringing to you this fresh. I'm finally affiliate. When you click the link below, there's going to be, you know, a trial. I think it's $1 for a month trial, so you can come in and check it out. I actually, you know, started the trial and then I graded the first day. I just had to, you know, start sharing this thing because it's just so powerful, and I hope this thing is around forever, honestly, because the tools compacted in here I've never seen below. I've wasted so much money individually buying these tools or trying to buy something that is similar, especially this animated VSL builder. I've tried to buy things similar to make graphics to stand out. I've spent hundreds, 200s, 300s, and it just didn't work like I thought it worked. And long behold, I could have had this right in my back office for, I think the biggest membership we have is $69 a month. The biggest. That's for every tool, unlimited usages, everything. You know, we have different packages as well. But this thing is so crazy. I'll leave the link for the trial, as well as I'll leave a link so you can see all the memberships, because I think the dollar trial automatically sets you up with what the biggest membership will offer, you know, everything, the whole shebang. And, you know, it'll let you know within 30 days, this is what you're going to be charged for. So I'll leave that link for someone who knows they might want the whole shebang for $69 a month. And I'll leave a link to see all the memberships pricings from, you know, free all the way up, so you can see what you get in case you're someone that wants to get in and become an affiliate now or just a customer. But I hope this video is very informative. This thing is just so much unlimited potential that I'm still tapping into every day. I literally have fun on here learning these different apps and tools for my business, and I've been able to automate my business. But thank you for visiting this video. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more information, and welcome to, you know, the work from home life.